In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the integration between Insite and Twilio. What you are seeing in this screen is actually Insite out of the box application. I'm going to use this application to for the purpose of this demo. So let's sign in as John D. I select customer and ship to. Now I'm going to go and do the category browsing and go to clubs and meetings, and as you can see that there are some items here out of stock, so I'm going to select this item. Since this item is out of stock, I can see this add to watch button. This only displays on when the item is out of stock. So I can add this item to my watch list. So I click on that. The item is now added to my watch list. Once it is added to watch list, it will be added to a watch item custom table in Insite. So I really no way to actually show that data in Insite Management Console or in some sort of report. This is just for the demonstration purpose. So I'm going to go to the in the Insite database SQL Server here, and if I run this SQL, as you can see that this item has been added to this watch item table, which contains the watch list for the customer. This is the product ID and the customer ID, and number of items that customer wants is 1. So item has been added to the watch list. Now when this item is available, there is a job that will run and send that item is available as a SMS message to the customer. So let's look for that item here, this product, and I will make it available. As you can see that in the inventory, this item quantity is 0, so let's make it 100. Now the item should be available. So once it is available, this job, integration job, if I run this job, it is going to look at those items that are available and sitting on the queue to send to customer. This job will pick up those items and send the SMS message to the customer with that product saying that this item is now available. So let me schedule this job. Let's look at the history. So job ran successfully, and this job should actually send the SMS message to the user. Just before we go and look at the SMS message, let's look at this table here, if there is any change. So you can see that the sent on date time was added. So at this time the job sent this item as a SMS to the user. Now to look at the SMS, I cannot show it in the in my phone. I will be using the Google Voice. If I go, as you can see, that this text message just came 55 seconds ago with that product that customer selected for adding to the watch list. This product 3-in-1 mittens that is available, and it says that please text back with this ID, which is the watch item ID, if you want to buy it. So if the customer now take that ID and text it back to Insight, when text it back to this number, it will go to Insight and saved in that watch item table or in the list that the customer wants to buy it. So let's send this text message back. So text message is sent. If the text message is received by Insight, Insight will return with a confirmation message that this item is being placed as an order for the customer. So let's refresh this. As you can see, it says that thanks, your order is being placed. And now look at in the table here. So if you look at the table, that the message was received on 15:39:55 and customer response was yes. So once this data or text is received from the customer representative, a customer service representative, or the sales rep who is associated with that customer, they can place the order for the customer. And that's all for this demo.